Dear Aron, July 30th, 2022. Surreal, isn't it? We've planned for and dreamed about this day for so long now. It feels like an eternity, yet a fleeting moment, all at the same time. It reminds me about what we always say to each other. I feel like I've known you my whole life, but that first trip feels like yesterday. But at last, today is it. The day I get to be your wife.
Sometimes I wonder if I'm dreaming, or maybe caught up in a
Dear Heather, the day we have been graciously waiting for is finally here, our wedding day. After all the preparation, planning, budgeting, coordination, and countless hours we have dedicated to making this the most special day in our lives, we finally get to turn our countdown blocks to zero. I wake up today feeling overjoyed, excited, and blessed, knowing that in a matter of hours, I will be standing with you, hand in hand, in front of all of our family and friends, shedding tears of joy and smiling widely as we celebrate our love story and the beginning of forever.
The truth is that I dreamed for you. I prayed for you, and a love like ours. And still, I never saw you coming. You are a better man, partner, best friend, and soon-to-be husband than I ever could have even imagined. You are truly the best thing to ever happen to me. I don't know what I did to deserve you, but I'll work every day to be the wife you deserve.
As the now husband to our sister, we'd like to say this.
Thank you for buzzing right into Heather's life and being what she deserved. What she wasn't expecting and everything more, including being an amazing uncle to my beautiful children.
Thank you for highlighting all of her beauty while basking in all at her light.
Thank you for being patient, willing to learn, and put in the work.
And thank you for your lessons along the way. I never quite knew what the human form of a golden retriever was until I met you. You truly make friends wherever you go, goofy and adorable smiles included.
Thank you for showering her with the love she deserves.
And respecting her like the queen that she is.
Oh my God.
Hi.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, I don't want your makeup to run. I don't have makeup. Oh my God. Wow, you weren't kidding.
Yeah.
You literally weren't kidding. Wow. It does not feel like I have known you for just over 4 years, but rather feels like you have always been a part of my life, and I cannot envision life without you. You have had such an impact on the person I have grown into and become, and I am truly lucky to have you. I fully believe that fate brought us together for a reason, and as cliche as that may sound, had it not been for us matching on Bumble, we almost certainly would never have met. We were living 2 separate lives, having no idea that the day would come where we were going to find our person in such an unexpected way. I am forever grateful for the stars aligning to bring you into my life, for you were my missing puzzle piece.
I want you to be my everyday.
Thank you for everybody coming to this special occasion. How time has flown by. I can remember when Heather was just taking her first step, and now I'm walking her down the aisle.
On the first day of the week, the third day of the month of Av in the year 5782, corresponding to the 30th day of July in the year 2022, here in Pennsylvania, Heather and Aron affirmed their union of marriage and made these promises to each other. As beloved and friends, we choose to walk life's path together. We pledge to each other our mutual trust and respect. We will offer support and encouragement for personal growth and fulfillment of our shared dreams. We will be slow to anger and quick to forgive. We will be open, honest, loyal, and devoted to one another. We promise to be faithful friends, companions, and life partners, and to comfort one another through life's joys and sorrows. May our love provide us with the freedom to be ourselves and the courage to follow our mutual and our individual directions. We promise to honor and treasure our ancestors and family, to enjoy and continue the traditions we've inherited, and to create a home filled with love and peace, freedom and compassion. Our home will be a place of openness, laughter, generosity, and respect. With our community of friends and family as witnesses, we now combine our separate faiths into one. I am my beloved's, and my beloved is mine. Bruchim habayim b'shem Adonai. Blessed are you who come here in the name of God. Yivdu et Adonai b'simcha bo'u lefanav birnana. Serve Adonai with joy. Come into God's presence with song. We rejoice that Heather and Aron joined in marriage in the presence of God and loved ones. Mi adir al hakol, mi baruch al hakol, mi gadol al hakol, hu yevarech chatan v'kala. O awesome, glorious, and blessed God, grant your blessings to this bride and groom. Surrounded by your loved ones, whose joy and prayers are with you here, you stand at this chuppah, the symbol of your Jewish home. May that home be a shelter against the storm, a haven of peace, a stronghold of faith and love.
As we prepare for the day that lies ahead, I want you to know that there is not a doubt in my mind that I will be overcome with emotion when I see you walking down the aisle. In that moment, you will take center stage as my bride, and all eyes will be on you. It will be such a special and monumental moment that I want all of your senses to distinctively be able to remember forever. As I look ahead to today, I plan on taking every single moment in and be completely present with you. Everything we have worked towards for our wedding has finally come full circle, and we will leave today starting the beginning of the rest of our lives together as one.
Mazel tov.
Once you walked into my life, I could not picture a future for myself that you were not a part of. The best part of today is that now, I will never have to. I love doing life with you and getting to be a witness of the absolute magic that is just who you are. I just feel so grateful that you chose me. Thank you for never faltering and loving me through my worst and seeing me for my best. So much of who I have become is because of you. You make me a better person in so many ways. You are my home, and I don't mean the house you painted blue and gray. I mean you. In your eyes, your heart, and your arms, I am home wherever I am with you. You've been my person since day one. There is nothing on this earth that I want more than you. I promise to always take care of that big heart of yours.
We are filled with tears of joy on this magical day. It is hard to believe that our little boy is now a married man. It doesn't seem that long ago when we dropped you off at the bus stop for your first day of school.
We hope that love, laughter, patience, understanding, and forgiveness will be your guiding lights as you begin this new chapter in your lives. If we can all give a toast to Aron and Heather for a long, healthy, and happy life together. L'chaim.
The most important conversation about the future we ever had was when you realized that your future's name was Heather. Heather, I never told you this, but I knew you were special before I even met you. It's because when he told me, I've never seen him look happier or sound happier. The man who I've never not seen smile looked happier than I've ever seen him in his life.
May your sweet little moments be just as powerful as your big ones. May you never stop pleasantly surprising each other and falling in love. And may you both never stop being too nice for each other.
And always remember, your love is unique, rare, beautiful, imperfect, and perfect all at once. But best of all, it's yours.
So, you're here now. Look around. Take a mental picture and sit in this glorious moment with the knowledge that you two created your own fairy tale, that many more memories will be made and many milestones will be met, and that you have held on tight. All that's left to do is throw your hands up, feel the wind, and enjoy the ride. And Aron, never forget, we're sisters. We were here first.
I believe with my entire being that we were made to love each other. After all, every choice in my life has led me to you. Answering you when you got down on one knee, where we've had our first kiss, that was the easiest yes of all time. Aron Bain, I would follow you anywhere, even to fields of dead sunflowers. I'm so excited to continue to love you with my whole heart today, tomorrow, and every day for the rest of my life. Let's do this thing. I love you so much. Officially forever yours, Heather.
I love doing life with you, and I cannot wait to marry you, the love of my life, the light of my life, my wifey for lifey, and my partner forever. I love you with all my heart.
Make it Bain.
Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful?